On this page, we have a lot of different planet facts. Take a look at that heading, Planet Facts. First, we have hot Venus. Mercury is closest to the sun, but Venus is much hotter. Clouds of gas trap heat on Venus. Underneath that, it says pink Mars. Mars looks red because the soil is rusty. During the day, the sky on Mars looks pink. Sometimes snow falls on Mars. Do you think it is pink too? Then we have big Jupiter. The red spot is a storm on Jupiter. Can you find the red spot? The red spot is bigger than Earth itself. That's a pretty big planet. Then we have windy Neptune. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system. And down at the bottom it says roll or spin. Most planets spin like tops. Uranus rolls like a ball. On this page, we learn about moons. How many moons? It says moons are made of rock or ice. Not every planet has a moon. Some have many. Mars has 2 moons. Can you imagine that? Going outside and seeing 2 moons in the air, in the sky? Neptune has how many moons? 13. Wow. Uranus has how many? 27. Can you imagine looking up at the sky and seeing 27 moons? That would be pretty cool, don't you think? Jupiter and Saturn each have, look at this, more than 50. 50 moons. Saturn's largest moon is Titan. They actually named it. Titan is a lot like Earth used to be. Titan has clouds, rain, and storms. But watch out, the storms on Titan rain liquid gas. Down at the bottom it says, have you ever heard grown-ups say, I wish I had more hours in the day? Well, maybe then they should live on Mercury. 1 day on Mercury equals 1,407 hours. Can you imagine being awake for 1,407 hours? I think we would be pretty tired by the end of the day. How about Venus? Take a look at what it says. 1 day equals 5,832 hours. Oh, that would be an exhausting day. On this page, the title says Earth's very own moon. The Earth has 1 moon. The time it takes to go around Earth is called a month. The first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. He and Buzz Aldrin left boot prints in the moon dust. Take a look at that picture. That's an actual boot print. And here is a picture of them at the bottom. Apollo 11 landed on the moon in 1969. Apollo 11 is a spacecraft. That's what they named it. An astronaut is part of a crew of a spacecraft. Have you ever thought about being an astronaut? There is no wind or water on the moon to wash the boot prints away, so the prints will be there for a long time. I wonder if they're still there. Over 50 years ago, this happened. Buzz Aldrin walks on the moon in 1969. Can you find Neil Armstrong too? Look at his visor. From today's reading, here are 2 questions for you to answer. The first one is, why is Venus the hottest planet? And the second one is, what is different about how Uranus moves?